Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. This is the NewBeauty test tube fall box, and we're unboxing it and giving away one of the items to one of you. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of September, it is the Natasha Denona Fez palette. Link for this one is in the description box down below under current giveaways. Now, for the giveaway for today's video, there's a Google form in the description box, and you need to make sure to fill it out. We'll go into that in a little bit. There is a secret word in today's video that you're going to need to know for that giveaway. Now, as far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Sydney Grace Chase Your Dreams palette. Looks like this. I did want to mention, when I do my giveaways, I always give away new items. I don't give away swatched, used, anything like that. So, just FYI. So the NewBeauty test tube, it does come out quarterly. The box is $59, but there's usually over like $300 worth of items in here. So you guys, it's more of a skincare box. Every once in a while you will find a makeup, and it's usually always full-size items, which I absolutely love. And you guys, I have found some gems, some really, really good things. So it is from the people who do the NewBeauty magazine, and they kind of curate this with their, you know, they've got dermatologists, they got clinicians, they've got everything kind of in between, trying to pick out goodies just for you. So I can't wait and find out what we're giving away to one of you guys. Let's dive in. I do love that they always send their magazine with it. Isn't Kira Cedric so beautiful? Oh. And they have some amazing tips, tricks, what's new, everything. Always in their magazine. So the first thing in here is from Auberge. It is a Professional C Serum 15%. And you guys, this guy right here retails for $115. So it's made with 15% pure ascorbic acid, this industry gold standard of vitamin C. This powerful daily antioxidant serum helps defend the skin from free radicals while working to brighten skin tone and reduce signs of past damage. It's like this, and then it does have a little dropper as well. From Gloss Modern is a clean luxury roll-on perfume oil. It is universal and does retail for $87. It's alcohol-free, delicate, and higher in concentration than any perfume. This perfume oil simultaneously nourishes the skin and envelopes it in fine fragrance created with clean luxury perfume oils from the famous fragrance region of Grasse, France. Ooh, that's a really, really good smelling. That's a fancy smelling one there. From Clover by Clove, you've seen me looking down, my notes are on my phone. From Clover by Clove plus Hollow is a plush pigmented stick. It does retail for $16. Housed in a tube made from 50% previously recycled plastic, this eyeshadow stick features versatile long-wearing color that can be used on its own or as a base for powder eyeshadow. Kind of looks like that. It's kind of a cool kind of copper. Pretty. So Off Court Exfoliating Body Soap. It does retail for $8.50. A functioning soap that simultaneously deep cleanses and exfoliates while maintaining hydration and suppleness. It comes in 3 rejuvenating scents guaranteed to up your shower game. This one is in this scent, fig leaves and white musk. It does say it is a medium grit. So from Aquagen 60-second restorative mask, it does retail for $32. And it is created to instantly repair and hydrate thirsty hair. My hair is so thirsty, it is so dry. In just 1 minute, Aquagen 60-second restorative mask is intensely hydrating, deep conditioning hair treatment, house 100% recyclable, ocean-bound PCR packaging. My hair needs that. I've always wanted to try something from this. This is Selfless by Hyram Retinol plus Rainbow Algae Repair Serum. For those that don't know, the Selfless by Hyram is an inky list umbrella. And this does retail for $24.50. So the magical sounding formula combines gentle, slow release retinol with nutrient-rich rainbow algae, transgenic acid to help reduce the appearance of acne scars and targeted hyperpigmentation. I really don't have hyperpigmentation nor acne scars. This creates a smoother, brighter, more even complexion while you sleep. Here's what the packaging looks like. So I'm not quite sure what to do with that one yet because, like I said, I don't have the hyperpigmentation and I don't have the acne scars. Well, this is something different that they're putting in here. Grande Cosmetics Grande Gummies Ashwagandha Mood Booster Gummies. My husband could probably tell you I need a new mood booster. I've been kind of crabby lately. They do retail for $30 and harnessing in the power of ashwagandha and an adaptogenic herb that's been used for thousands of years in ancient medicine and has been shown to help with stress. I have a ton of that right now. So it's been help with stress management. These yummy gummies are the perfect way to unwind and decompress. Sounds pretty good at the end of the day for me. I have a hard time decompressing. Usually don't put edibles in here. Here's another one. This is from 8 Greens Detox Effervescent Tablets. It does retail for $18. So 8 Green Detox Effervescent Tablets contains 8 real daily green apple cider vinegar and milk thistle, featuring an array of functional antioxidant-rich ingredients to stimulate the body's natural detoxification system. So you simply drop, fizz and sip, add the tablet to an 8-ounce glass of water, other liquid of your choice, allow the tablet to fizz, and then enjoy the full body elements. So this does have in it spinach, kale, aloe vera, wheatgrass, blue-green algae, barley grass, chlorella, and spirulina, plus apple cider vinegar and milk thistle work together to make a tablet a power pack treat. You know, it kind of reminds me of where I see all over the YouTube right now is the A1 greens. It kind of reminds me of that, and I know I don't. I know I need to be better, and I have a hard time getting my greens in. So I'll try it. So from LaRousse is an LR334 brush. It does retail for $34. It's really, really soft, you guys. A true makeup kit must have. These contouring and blending brushes are specifically designed to take the guesswork out of your makeup routine, allowing for a flawless look that is free from harsh lines every time. Guys, that's really, really, really nice. So there was a lot of difference in this bundle today. I mean, you had some makeup, you had for really high-end fragrance, you had a very high-end skincare, you had makeup, you have hair care, you have kind of some edible type things. I mean, it was a Really, really good variety. What did you guys think? What was your favorite item in here? Let's do give away that Clover Plush Pigment Stick. I just really don't use eyeshadow sticks, so I would much rather pass it on to one of you guys so it doesn't collect dust here or anything like that. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Also put on it that secret word. Oh, we haven't said secret word. Secret word for the day is football. Football. So you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entry items. And what are the bonus entry items? They are number 1, if you go follow me on Instagram, that handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on X, formerly Twitter, that's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, that's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share it with your family, friends, on your socials. I'm really trying hard to grow the channel here. I can only do it with your guys' help, and I wanted a way to give back and to say thank you. So that's your fourth way. But only mark if you did do them, if you actually did do them, because I do check and you don't want to get disqualified. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through October 6th, the Midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on October 11th, what I'll do is I will make a video announcing all the giveaway winners for the prior month. As soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. If you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check it out. If not, hopefully we will see you soon. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!